In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recurring tasks to Sunsama. If you're looking to streamline your task management by automating regularly scheduled tasks, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process, starting with creating a task. First, go ahead and create a task as you normally would. You have a couple of options here. You can utilize the Add Task button if you like, or if you're a keyboard shortcut enthusiast, you can use the 1A key combination for an even quicker approach. Once you've got your task on screen, it's best practice to fill in all the details right away. Think of this as setting up a comprehensive profile for your task. Add a descriptive title, estimate how much time it might take, choose the appropriate channel, list any subtasks, and jot down important notes that might be useful later. Having all this information at your fingertips keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Once your task is set up with all the necessary details, the next step is to access the task details. Simply click on the task you've just created. This will open a detailed view of the task on your screen, letting you see everything you've input at a glance. Now, to set up your task as a recurring one, look for the Other Actions menu. This is located at the top of the task card and is represented by the icon. Clicking on this menu will reveal several options. Among them, you'll see one labeled Repeat. Select this option to bring up the Recurrence Configuration menu. This menu gives you several options for how frequently you'd like your task to repeat. If you need daily reminders, choose the Daily option. There's even a handy feature allowing you to limit these to just weekdays, Monday through Friday, if that's what your schedule demands. Need a task to repeat weekly on specific days? Select the Weekly option and pick which days work best, whether it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or any combination that fits your needs. If it's a monthly task, perhaps something like billing or sending out reports, the monthly option will serve you well, allowing you to set the recurrence to the day of your choice, say the first of each month. There's also a custom setting for those who have more complex scheduling needs, granting you the flexibility to create a unique interval that fits your routine perfectly. Once you've configured your preferred recurrence settings, make sure to save your changes. By saving, you've now successfully set up a recurring task series in Sunsama. With this now added to your task list, a new instance of the task will automatically appear according to whatever schedule you've defined. This means you can spend less time setting up repeat tasks manually and more time actually getting things done. And there you have it, a simple way to make recurring tasks seamless with Sunsama. I hope this helps optimize your daily, weekly, or even monthly planning process. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check out our other videos for more productivity tips.